story is the cleaning woman. A woman worked very hard, cleaning the street. At her clothes were dirty. All the people ran away from her when they saw her. And when the Buddha talked to her nicely, the people were surprised. They asked the Buddha. They asked the Buddha, "You always ask us to be clean. Why are you talking to the smelling woman?" The Buddha replies, "Although this woman is smelling, her mind is clean. He is polite. She works hard for others. And some people look clean and tidy, but their mind are full of bad thoughts. Having clean mind is more important than wearing clean clothes. Cleaning minds."